All right, so this is our suite. Andrew's
It's hot.
hot. Okay, I was like tired, hot. It's the living area. It's really nice. And we have a balcony that overlooks the pool. It's really beautiful. We actually have a second balcony as well, so I'll show you that. Andrew will take a moment to relax and I'll show you our room. It's really beautiful. One bedroom suite. This is the second patio. I won't go out because it's the same view. And this is the walk-in closet area. And then the bathroom, which is beautiful. Yeah, there we go. So we're at breakfast now, and of course Andrew has a special area for his gluten-free needs. And there's lots of Asian dishes like miso soup and sauteed vegetables, omelet station, no, and bread here. And then we of course have the warm dishes, French toast, potato, sausage. Got my buffet needs. Andrew's already enjoying. Look at the amazing view. So we're currently exploring the coastline. Trying to see if we can go surfing here. Looks really beautiful. How does it look?
Good. Yeah.
Yeah, really nice.
Think so.
Yeah, I don't think that there is enough of a wake here,
Yeah.
but we can definitely go surfing somewhere else.
Yeah, we'll go.
But this is our own private beach. Getting started with our poke bowl. Food truck park.
Yeah.
All right, I'm waiting for you to have your first bite. How does it taste? Nice, approved. So, it's really awesome here. This kind of reminds me of the lava fields in Iceland. So these are some cool rock structures that look like teeth, like shark's teeth, just formed naturally by the water. Yummy?
Yeah.
Bye. Hello. It's so loud. We're about to go on a doors up helicopter ride. got our shrimp scampi bowl. Man is still waiting on his blackened ahi tuna, but we're at the infamous Costco food truck park, and it's pretty good for lunch. Cheers!
Hello.
We're here at the private beach at the Ritz-Carlton, and sunset is just coming down the horizon. So, really beautiful. We're chilling on the terrace.
Huh?
Hello. Andrew bought us some ahi tuna and taro chips. It was really amazing, fudgy, peanut buttery shake. We're sitting out here in our little cabana by the ocean. Is this called a cabana?
No, no, because it's on wheels.
A wheelie cabana.
I don't know.
Near the ocean. It's amazing. Really good time. Yeah. Hello. We're going parasailing. Did you have fun parasailing?
Yeah. Did you?
Yeah. Parasailing was great.
Good.
Andrew, how's the taco?
Good.
Yeah, so we just finished parasailing with UFO Parasail. And how would you say our experience was?
It was good.
It was really cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, they did a really good job. And yeah, no complaints.
Nope.
Yeah. Anyway, we're enjoying lunch at Leilani's, which is right on the beach. You can kind of see the beach there. We're having some tacos because it's Taco Tuesday. So we have some fish tacos. What's this one? Pork or chicken?
Chicken.
Chicken. And then some guac and chips. And the pog slushy. So there we go. Excited. Cheers. We're getting ready to sail soon, so this will be a live music tour as well. So that's fantastic. It's true. I promise. We're at the end of our sunset tour. It's really nice, beautiful skies. Any words, Andrew? Okay, that is it for the night.
Till I meet the sun, and I run till I reach the seas. The edge of the ocean, there's a place to start over again.
Just finished our massages. Andrew over here. Excellent, 5 out of 5 stars. Got my Hawaiian word of the day and some chocolate.
Yeah.
Because you don't weigh enough.
That's why we're still laughing at you.
Turn around, I join
On
my
a
duel.
ATV. Zip lining. Doing a little vlog.
My back tires are off the road.
Awesome. All right, headed back. Going for our last zip line.
The narrative taking a walk.
Yeah, taking a walk now.
Yeah, we're taking a walk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, this is the only time you can film. You can film on a zip line.
Yeah.
All right. But if we had a
350.
GoPro,
Yeah, we brought our GoPro.
If we brought our GoPro that we brought in Hawaii last time,
Yep.
we would be able to film ourselves.
And what have we done with the GoPro?
Nothing. We've done nothing. We
No.
filmed some turtles and sharks in the last Hawaii trip.
Turtles and sharks.
That is it.
Yeah.
All right, we are here relaxing at the Burger Shack. It's super windy but warm. Andrew ordered a lava flow virgin shake.
Sound shake.
Okay, something kind of drink.
Let's go.
And then we got a mushroom burger and a poke to share. How did you feel about ziplining today?
Good.
It was good?
Yeah, have fun.
Andrew's first time ziplining. Really good. Now we're enjoying a great lunch. Okay, so we just got our yakiniku, the hot stone there, double roll. Okay, how's the breakfast?
Good.
Yeah, really lovely. Our last day here,
Yeah.
out in the nice weather.
Yeah.
Yeah, sad to go home.
Yeah.
Pretty clear that Andrew does not want to leave Maui. He's just standing there, enjoying the view. Look at him. Enjoying the waves. Last look at the beach. Doesn't want to go home. He's sad we're leaving?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was great.
That's great.
That's a good reason to be sad.
We're gonna go to the pool now and have our last time at the pool before we go. All right, spending our last hours by the pool. Andrew hanging out, looking good. Heading to the shady spot. All right, it's not really shady today. That's okay. We won't be here for long. It's really nice here. That's the hotel, the beach beds. Yeah. How would you rank this vacation out of 10?
I don't know, but it was really good.
Yeah? Excellent?
Yeah, it's excellent. Yeah.
Good. Excellent. That's what we want to hear.
Yeah.